What's going on, everybody? My name is Alexi. I'm a professional artist who uses ProCreate to create their work, and I'm here to help you learn ProCreate. Today we're going to be talking about brushes and how you can find brushes that you used before, how to pin brushes to like top of libraries, and how to remember what sizes you were using in each brush and how to like bookmark those and save those. So let's get into it. All right, so we're going to be starting with a blank canvas here. I'm going to start with my brush and I'm going to go ahead and make a mark. And I'm going to go ahead and make my brush just a little bit bigger. I'm going to start here and go down. And let's say I want to go back to this size. Well, I can't remember what size it was. So before you start, find the size that you want. Oh, that's a great one. Click here and just add with that little plus mark. It'll create a little bookmark. So you can go ahead and start drawing, and then you can change, and then you can just go back. There is no really limit to how many of these you can add. You can add them up all the way if you want. And then you can kind of cycle through them as you work. If you want to get rid of them, just tap on it, press that little negative mark, and it will go ahead and delete each one of them. And you can go back to your original. You can do the same thing with opacity. So I can draw a mark and I can drop my opacity down to 50% and go and make my mark. And let's say I want to keep it at 50% and then do it. It's just going to work the same way. If you really want to fine tune the size of your brush, you can go and choose your size, but you can go out to the right and then go up and down, and it'll change the size way slower than it would be if you were to the left of it. So the left is fast, to the right is slow. Now let's say that I'm drawing with a brush and I go and change the brush and I go and draw and then I change the brush again and I keep drawing and I want to go back to this brush, but I can't remember what brush it was. If you go up here in your brush library, at the very top is recent. So you can see from here down is all the recent brushes that I've used. These are pinned to the top. Now, how you pin one is you just slide to the left and just click pin, and it will forever be here at the top. So these are brushes that I use quite often and are pinned to the top. If you want to unpin, just slide to the left, click unpin, and then it'll go away. But if you want to have some favorite brushes like I do, I keep them up here. And then down here is going to be your most recent. You can tell the difference because of the stars and then the little ProCreate symbol. You'll see here that my brush library looks probably a little different than yours. I've actually created my own brush libraries by pressing this addition button right here. And then what I named it is I put a little heart next to them to my favorites so I can easily spot them. If you want to change where a brush is, all you have to do is tap and hold, and then you can take it to any of these that you like. All you have to do is just hold it and then bring it in and drop it in. So that's it. That is saving brushes and finding them and all that good stuff. So again, my name is Alexi. I am the creator of Hooey Doodles. YouTube thinks that you're going to like this video that I do. I do all kinds of tips and tricks and just ways to help you learn ProCreate and get better and faster and all that good stuff. So give me a follow, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, see you later.